guys, it's Lane Morgan again. Today we are just doing informative videos. We got a lot of different trailers going on in here today. I've got this customer is Rachel Crabtree. Hey Rachel, we look forward to seeing y'all Monday. This is a 6x12 mobile pet grooming trailer that we're doing. If you'll look over there in the distance, we've got a barbecue trailer with a porch on the back. We've got a concession trailer that we're working on and a toy hauler. So we've got all where we're putting the mobile pet grooming trailer. This is the dog grooming tub that we're installing into that trailer for Rachel and them. They're coming down from Tennessee. Look right here, this is a really nice concession trailer that we are doing for Fat Charlie's Barbecue. I want to give a shout out to Fat Charlie's Barbecue. We are working on their trailer. Jeff Bramlett is their sales rep. He does a phenomenal job for me. All my sales reps do. But this one right here is going to be a very nice barbecue trailer. We are just getting started on it, starting to do the interior walls. You can still see that there's plywood up. It's wired and braced, it looks like, for 2 air conditioners. There's also going to have a shadow box on it with a digital menu. If you'll look right here, it's got your 4x8 concession window. With glass and screen, of course, and then this is going to be the shadow box. I don't know if we got it locked. Nope. So there you go. There is a shadow box. This is where the digital menu will be. You can put your TV inside there, and then when people walk up and they're waiting to order, they can look over here, and then boom, you got your digital menu right there. It's got an extended tongue. I'm sure we're putting a generator platform, generator box on it. It's got an electric jack. Over there's a little smaller yellow concession trailer that we're doing. That's more of a 7 wide, 7x16, I believe, or 7x14. That's a 7x14 single action. So this is a beautiful. See, these are some of the freezers and fridges that we put inside our concession trailers. They're stainless steel, commercial grade stuff. If you'll look right there, there's plenty of room in this one, a lot of shelving, but we've got 1-door freezers. You've got the ones that open up on both sides. If you'll look right here, there's more equipment right here. I just wanted you to see kind of what we offer. This is what you call a sandwich prep table, different compartments right there. They come in different sizes. That's a bigger one right over here. We've got our hood vents, we've got our small freezers, we've got different stuff that you can put them. We've got, there's over there, that's an oven with a 4-top burner on top of it. But y'all, we're putting nice stuff in here. I wanted you to see some of our equipment that we offer at Renown Cargo Trailers. Give us a call if you got any questions. There is tons of stuff to choose from. Our sales reps will be glad to answer all the questions that you have. A lot of people do a combo deal where you can get a 2 or 4 top burner, 24-inch griddle, 36, 48-inch griddle, and then an oven up under. That's what a lot of people are choosing, or some people just want to separate it out. But y'all give us a call at Renown Cargo Trailers, 188-287-3954. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tons of info out there, guys. And also check out our website at www.renowncargotrailers.com. We look forward to earning y'all's business, and until then, y'all be blessed and know that Jesus loves you. I promise you. Be blessed.